Hey everyone, welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're looking for a portable, hassle-free way to inflate tires, sports gear, or air mattresses, this video's for you. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best rechargeable air compressors, picked for their inflation power, battery life, portability, and ease of use. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. All right, let's jump right in. Number 1. DEWALT DCC020IB. Starting with the DEWALT DCC020IB, this is a workhorse for anyone who doesn't want to be stuck on the side of the road with a flat tire and no options. What makes it genuinely special is that you've got 3 different power sources to choose from: a 20-volt max battery, your car's 12-volt outlet, or a regular household outlet. That kind of flexibility means you're covered, whether you're at home, stranded in traffic, or at a campsite far from civilization. The high-pressure mode handles car tires with precision, automatically shutting off when you hit your target PSI, so there's zero risk of overinflation. But here's where it gets interesting. It also has a high-volume setting that makes it practical for bigger jobs like filling up an air mattress or even a small raft. The threaded chuck grips tight and doesn't slip around, and that built-in LED light is genuinely useful if you're dealing with a tire problem at dusk or in low light. Even the little touches count. Rubber feet keep the thing stable while it's working, and there's storage right on the body for your attachments. Number 2. Airmoto BP198. If you're the type who just wants something small and simple that lives in your glove box, the Airmoto BP198 is honestly perfect for that role. It's tiny compared to most compressors, but don't let the size fool you. It'll handle car tires, bike tires, and sports equipment up to 120 psi, which covers most everyday situations. The plus-minus buttons let you dial in exactly the pressure you want, and then you just hit start and walk away. When it hits your target PSI, it shuts itself down automatically. No guessing, no overfilling by accident. The LCD screen is bright enough to read clearly, and the little built-in flashlight actually comes in handy, more often than you'd think, especially if you're fixing a tire in a parking garage or after sunset. The 2000 mAh battery gives decent runtime from multiple tires before needing a recharge, and the package includes adapters for different valve types: Schrader, Presta, sports needles, the works. Number 3. CRAFTSMAN CMCE520B. The CRAFTSMAN CMCE520B strikes a really nice balance between power and practicality, making it a solid choice if you want something that's not too heavy but can handle more than just quick tire top-ups. Like the DEWALT, it's got 3 power options: V20 battery, 12-volt car outlet, or household AC, so you're always covered no matter where the job finds you. The digital gauge makes it easy to see exactly what PSI you're at, and the automatic shutoff prevents that annoying situation where you overinflate and have to let air back out. It's smaller and lighter than you'd expect for the work it can do, so transport and storage aren't headaches. What's nice is that it can handle both high-pressure tire work and lower-volume jobs like filling up air mattresses or pool toys. You're not choosing between 2 different tools. Number 4. DENVIX DWC01. The DENVIX DWC01 is where things get interesting if you care about speed and real battery staying power. This one's got a seriously beefy motor that'll fill a car tire in about 10 minutes from completely flat, and it tops off a nearly empty tire in just a couple of minutes. For comparison, a lot of smaller inflators can take 15, 20, or even 30 minutes for that same job. The 15,000 mAh battery is genuinely huge for a portable device, and it means you can handle multiple vehicles on one charge or dozens of smaller items like sports balls and inflatables. Here's the kicker though, it also charges your phone, tablet, or even a laptop thanks to its 45-watt fast charging ports. So you're getting a tire inflator and a portable power station in one package. Recharging the DENVIX itself is quick too. With a 45-watt charger, it's fully charged in about an hour, and even a quick 10-minute car outlet charge gives you enough juice for an emergency tire top-up. Number 5. ETENWOLF S6VO. Finishing strong is the ETENWOLF S6VO Vortex, and this is the one you grab if you're serious about off-roading, towing, or just own one of those bigger trucks where tire issues hit harder. This beast puts out 1.5 CFM and goes up to 160 PSI, so it's genuinely fast. We're talking about filling a 31-inch tire in roughly 1 minute. The 19,200 mAh battery is absolute overkill in the best way. On a single charge, this thing can inflate up to 18 full-size F-150 truck tires. That's the kind of endurance that makes it perfect for remote overlanding trips or if you're towing across multiple states. What sets it apart is the 100% duty cycle. It won't overheat or shut down between tires like most portable compressors do. There's a dual-cylinder system and active cooling, keeping things running continuously, which is a real game-changer if you're managing multiple vehicles. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best rechargeable air compressors. If you found this video helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more honest reviews on handy tools, travel gear, and useful gadgets. Thanks for watching Hype Tech Picks. See you in the next one!